guys, welcome back. It is drop sale preview time. If you don't know what that means, once or twice a month I release about 20 to 25 items in my Etsy shop. You guys get first dibs before the prices go up, basically. So I kind of put them at a little bit of a discounted price before, like maybe what the comps would be, so you guys get first dibs at some treats. So all you have to do tomorrow, because the drop sales tomorrow releases at 8 a.m. on my Etsy shop, etsy.com shop Side Street Market. You'll see just under the all section on the left hand side, the drop section will pop up at 8 a.m. All you have to do is go there, put the items you like in a cart, just like you do on Amazon, click that checkout, and you don't have to be signed up for an Etsy account. You can check out as a guest, you can pay with PayPal, and boom, you know what you bought, you know you want it, you know what your shipping is, you know what your total is, and it ships the next day from me. So it's very easy. So I just wanted to go ahead and do a little sneaky peek for you of some items. But which goodies do I want to show you is the question. All right, let's show a little glass. I am selling a little bit of my glass collection now. This first one, I want to give out a shout out to Dee, the Southern Picker, because she had two of these and I bought both of them. And then when I was fixing my glass collection, I didn't have the room for both. So I did keep one for myself, but I am going to part with this one. It does not light up. It is a Fenton compote in this beautiful celery green with the little diamond point and the ruffle. So this will be available in the drop sale. So I'm passing it along for someone else so they can enjoy it, but I still have one for my collection as well. And then a little bit more glass, guys. I am parting with this. I don't have the room for it. It is a beautiful blue moon and star banana boat dish. No chips, no cracks, no damage. So that will be available. And then I do have a little piece of art for you guys, something for the spring. It is this beautiful oil on canvas pad. I think it might be supposed to be some mums. Now this did have a frame and the frame was really broken. Excuse me. So I took the outer frame off and then I realized what the person did was they actually had cut their canvas. So you can see the paintings right under there. They had cut the canvas and stapled the canvas on to this frame. So this is just the fabric right here. And I didn't want to go pulling all those nails out. So you get it with just a little frame. Something cute for spring. And for my purse girls, I have a new with tags. This is Draper James, a cute little everyday straw bag, complete with a little scarf that comes attached to it. Still new with tag. This isn't vintage, but it's been sitting in my closet, never used. It's got this really beautiful blue interior, perfect for a day at the beach or the summertime. So this will be on my Etsy for just the drop sale. Then it will move to eBay because it is not necessarily vintage, so I don't want to keep it on my Etsy shop. So it'll only be available on there for the drop sale. So that is 4 sneak peek items. What else do I want to show you? Okay. I'm going to show you 2 more items. This little cutie will be available for your spring succulents. It's a little dog sleeping with the ladybug on top. He does have a little paint loss. It is an older piece. This probably said made in Japan. It's that very fine ceramic and there's no damage. So that will be available. And last but not least, there will be some brooches. So the first one is really, really cool. It's a metal and the leaves have almost like cellophane in them. So each one of these has like a little piece of yellow plastic in it. And it's just this really, really pretty, it's a metal brooch. And it's got the C-clasp. And it's just a really fun, I mean, like it'd even make a really cute like hair barrette if you want to turn it into a hair barrette. I just thought that would be sweet for summertime. And then I have a more contemporary piece. I can't talk today, guys. I got you all some bling. So this is a more modern piece, and it actually has a hook on the back that it could be used as a pendant as well. It's got your rollover clasp, but look at this. Look at the blue bling. So this reminds me more of something you might find at like the Hobby Lobby or Michael's, but you gotta share I want to bring you the spring colors. I've got the greens and the yellows, and there'll be some pink, but you have to wait for the actual sale to see what that is. So that's it, guys. I just want to give you a little sneak peek of some of the items. There'll be about 20 to 25 items available. It's first come, first serve. The sale stays open for 72 hours, and I close it down on Saturday morning when I get up and have my coffee. And the items disperse to other sections. The prices may change because I do try to do a discount for the drop sale, which is the point of the drop sale. So once again, my Etsy shop is etsy.com/sidestreetmarket. You can favorite my shop so you get notifications. I tend to post 3 to 5 new items Monday through Friday. And yeah, guys, that's it. Just a quick pop-in. Hello. I hope to see you at the drop sale, and I'll be back with you guys soon.